What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. All right, so we had the dump that we were waiting for, and if you watched my previous video that I posted on the 11th of September, you would see that I pointed out that 22,500 would be our next level of resistance. We didn't hit it exactly. We exceeded it, but you had several chances to enter a short. You had it at 22,640. You had it at this candle over here, and this candle, and the next wick. And I gave you some targets to the downside. And one of the targets that I mentioned was 19,779. And in another video, I remember saying 19,787. It was just a retracement, a fib retracement of 0.618, and we hit it almost exactly. We went as low as 19,840, and we got this reaction, a demand wick, and we're kind of reversing upwards. What I'm looking at is a reversal, possibly to 19,750. 19,700, 19,750. If this is to continue down, then we most probably would reject over here and continue lower. That's if it goes that high. If it goes even higher, we could go as high as the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, which would be around the 21k range. However, this move was just to recover this entire pump up. You see, we have an insufficiency over here. We have these big single prints, these candles that did not consolidate, just pump after pump after. This is on the hourly. And we got our sell signal at around 20,900 over here. That's when the 8 and 13 and 21 cross the 55, and the next candle opens and closes below it. So yeah, if we pump up to 2750, I might be looking to add to my short. I entered the short a bit later, as this happened while I was asleep, so I had a short from up here, but then I got stopped out while I was sleeping, and I woke up and saw this move and decided to just jump into it, because it looks like we could go down as low as this previous area of 19k. Let me tell you, this order block over here, I'll just switch off the indicator, and this would be right over here, 20,100. If we go on the 4 hourly, we would see that we bounced exactly at the point of control, almost. The point of control was over here, and we almost touched it, and we got a reaction. If we come down, then we're coming down to the value area low as a first target, 19,555. I'm basically just trading the levels of resistance and supports, volume profile levels, value area high, low, and POCs, looking at Fibonacci retracement levels of the moves. We know Bitcoin likes a 0.618, and we get that reaction from this previous dump up here at 25k. If we take a fib retracement, I believe we went up to the 0.5 fib, and we got rejected. Let's take it all the way down to the bottom over here. We exceeded the 0.5, and actually we went up to the 0.618, even the 0.65, and we got rejected over there. We've seen it so many times in Bitcoin that we get this rejection. What I'm looking for is a target down, 19.5 as a first target. We lose that, then we're coming down definitely to this region of 18.5. If we lose this, we're coming down to 17.5 again. The thing is, 18.1 is also an important target, but if we go to 17.5, a lot of people are expecting a bounce. We might not get that bounce. We might just rip through it. So just be aware of that. Don't FOMO into longs as soon as you just touch 17.5. Well, it's no financial advice. You do what you want. I just wouldn't just jump into a long at 17.5. We see a rounding pattern over here. We've seen this pattern a lot of times in Bitcoin. It forms like a drop, then consolidation, then a pump up again. And we see it in the opposite way. If we have a pump, it's like a square without the fourth side. We see it so many times on Bitcoin. If you look at the chart in many time frames, you'll find it. So yeah, just be aware of that and trade safe. You always use stop losses. Don't trade more than you're willing to lose. Before you enter a trade, know what are you willing to lose and set your stop loss there. Thanks for watching. More trades. I'm out.